A consumer alert that you gotta hear about. A pair of headphones that exploded gave a woman serious burns. We do want to warn you, the images you're about to see pretty graphic. The battery-powered headphones caught fire while she was on an international flight. Officials say she was sleeping, listening to music like a lot of us do on a plane, when she heard that explosion. Sparks and flames immediately started shooting out of the headphones. A flight attendant poured water on them to put the fire out. ATSB investigators think the batteries are likely to blame.